Today we are going to learn how to remove the lens distortion or the fisheye effect which usually action cameras have like the GoPro. First, we have to select the video clip that we wanted to fix. Next, we have to go to Filters, then click the plus button, then search for Lens Correction, under the Video tab. Then double-click on the lens correction. As you can see here, there are 4 bar sliders each having different purposes. What you have to do is, to change the correction at center by scrolling to the bar slider. Scrolling it to the right would add more fisheye effect to it, while sliding to the left decreases the fisheye effect. So let's scroll it more to the left until we get the desired outcome. For me it's somewhere 0.200 0.300 but I think 0.252 works best. Next, we need to change the value for correction at edge. For me 0.532 works best. Now a quick tip, changing the value for the X and Y center won't affect your clip if you did not change the value for either the center at edge or center. Changing the value of X moves the clip on the X axis, and Y axis on the Y. As you can see here, there is a black portion on your clip which could be seen if you export the video. What we can do is to crop the video. To crop the video, go to the plus button again, then search for crop. Then double-click the crop. Then just click the box with the label center. Once that's done you are good to go. Note, when you make this you would be sacrificing a little portion of your video since fisheye effect is usually used for wide angles. That is all for this video. Subscribe for more and I hope to see you next time.